Hello everyone, I am in the second grade at Wiré숲 Elementary School. Today I will introduce a book called The Counting List. We are having a race today, said Mrs. Connor. The fourth graders loved races. A running race, asked Lisa. An eating race, asked Katie. No, said Mrs. Connor, a counting race. What is a counting race? asked Hannah. I am going to see if you can count to 10 in a second, said Mrs. Connor. That is so easy, said James. I'll go first, said Michael. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Enough time, said Mrs. Connor. My turn, said Neil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, Neil, said Mrs. Connor. Me next, said again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close, said Mrs. Connor. Hannah took up her hand. Mrs. Connor, can all the fourth graders work on this together? She asked. Yes, Hannah, said Mrs. Connor. All the fourth graders got together. They talked loudly. They talked quietly. They had an idea. Ask us race again, Mrs. Connor said again. Okay, said Mrs. Connor. Can you count to 10 in a second? All together, the fourth grade said. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You did it, said Mrs. Connor. Good for you. We count by twos, said Emma. It is the best way to count, said James. Here is one more question, said Mrs. Connor. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do I appreciate? The children knew the answer. Us, they said, and they were late again. I hope you enjoyed my reading the book. Thank you for listening.